Instagram Reels just updated, and this new feature allows you to take the guesswork out of editing so that you can quickly and easily put together Reels with existing footage on your phone within seconds. Yeah!
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. To access it, you have to look for a reel that says template. So I'm here in Reels and I don't see one. I did save one, however. Let's see. Oh, here it is. I found one. So you can see here, it says use template. When you click on use template, what it's going to do is it's going to show you how many clips you need, and it's going to show you the length of the clip. So basically, once you find the template, all you do is you add your clips. As you add your clips, you can see it's going to fill up at the bottom here. So there's 3, 4, 5 clips in this one. I can go next. And now it's got the reel created for me, timed on the beat with the amount of seconds that I need for each of these. But there's more. I can actually adjust which part of my clip is going to show for this reel. So by doing that, I can just click on the section of the video that I want, and then I can drag it to which part I want it to show. So let's say, I actually liked that beginning thing. Okay, it's done. Let's done that one. Let's check this one. Now that I've been watching this a few times, I want to switch these two last clips. So I'm just going to click on this one, replace media. I'm going to add this one. And then I'm going to click on this one, replace media, and add this one. So let's see how that looks. Perfect. So I've just shared it, and now you can see that when I share it using a template, it's going to allow others to also use that template. So if you search me, wonderful_Ida on Instagram, you will see this as my latest reel, or just look for this cover. If you click on it, then you're going to see use template. You can go in there, press that, and then create your own video based on the sound and the timing already done for you. All you gotta do is add your footage. You can find templates by just scrolling through your feed and waiting to see use templates. So here, use template, I can use this one. Or say you find a template and you want to save it because you want to use it for later. I suggest then you just click on the 3 dots and go save. Now when you go out of Reels, then you can go into your profile. So this is my profile. I can go to saved. I can go to all posts. And then here is just going to be post. I just use this tab to go to Reels. And now I can see my Reels that I've saved with templates. So I can go and use this one, or I can use this template. Okay, so say I'm adding this. So if when I add my media, I just click on the clip. I can go into my album. Let's say I want to add some clips from my niece's birthday, and you can just go through, add the clips, and it's just going to allow you to add as many clips as they need. So just keep pushing the add clip button. There we go. Until there, it goes dark. Once it goes dark, that means you can't add any more clips. But like say for example, you don't want this to be the last one, you can just click on the number to unselect it and then click on new one. So let's say I don't want that. Let's say I want it to end with this one and then maybe her sleeping. So then once I'm ready, I just press next. And it's going to configure that clip, that reel for me based on those clips. It's going to take a little bit longer if you have a lot of clips. But you can see it's already looking adorable. If you like this video, you might want to check out this video as well. It's about how to speed up and slow down your existing footage. This is a really good feature that I feel everyone needs to know. So I hope you have a great day and watch some more videos. Until next time, peace!